Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to find the equation of a perpendicular line to another one. Okay guys, so in today's video we're actually going to be doing exactly just that. We're going to be given a line, so in this case line T, and that passes through 2 points. And then we're going to be given another line that we have to find the formula of, and we're being told that that second line is perpendicular to the first one. Now, here we have a rule reminder that says that if two lines are perpendicular, we know that the product of their slopes is going to be -1, right? So in this case, because we know that line T and line A is going to be perpendicular to T, so when two lines are perpendicular, as the rule reminder suggests, the product of their slopes is going to be -1. So that means that the slope of T multiplied by the slope of A is going to be equal to -1 because they are perpendicular, so they form a 90-degree angle between them. Now, in order to find the equation of line T, and this, we have to first find the slope, right? So the slope of line T, which we're going to be called MT, is again, the formula of the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is going to be 10, y1 is going to be 4, x2 is going to be -5, and x1 is going to be -2. So it's going to go 10 minus 4 divided by -5 minus -2, right? So that's going to be 6 divided by -5 plus 2, which is going to be -3. And that means that the slope of line T is going to be -2. Now, because of what we were mentioning, we know that the slope of T multiplied by the slope of A, right, which is perpendicular to T, is going to be -1 because, again, it is perpendicular. So that means that -2, right, multiplied by the slope of A is going to be equal to -1, which means that the slope of A is going to be equal to -1 divided by -2, because that -2 is multiplying, so it then divides, which means that the slope of A is going to be 1/2. Now that we have found both slopes, we are just going to have to find the value of B, right? So on the first one, we're going to choose the second point. So we have that for line T, right? We have that a value of y is equal to 10 is equal to the slope, which we already found was -2, times the value of x. So we know that when y is 10, x is equal to -5, right? And then plus the value of b that we're trying to find. So 10 is equal to -2 times -5, which is plus 10, plus b. Now, because that 10 passes subtracting, we know that the value of b is going to be 10 minus 10, which again is going to be 0. So because of that, we know that the equation of line T is going to be equal to y is equal to t slope, which is -2x, plus 0, because the value of b is 0. So in this case, because it's 0, we're not going to put it. Now, let's work now with line E, right? So in the case of line E, we know that we're, again, going to do the same thing. So y equals mx plus b. So a value of y is going to be -3. And that is going to be equal to the slope, which we found was 1/2. Then the value of x, we're given that whenever we have a value of y equal to -3, the value of x is equal to 7. And then we have to add plus b, right? So -3 is going to be equal to 7 divided by 2 plus b. And we know that 7 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 3.5, right? Plus b. So because that 3.5 is adding, we're going to move it on and it's going to subtract. So -3 minus 3.5 is equal to b, which means that our value of b is going to be of minus 6.5. So that means that our equation is going to be y equals to the slope, which was 1/2, of the value of x, and then the value of b, which is minus 6.5. And there you have it, guys. You just need to find the slope, find the relationship between the slopes with the perpendicular line, and then find the value of b in each one, and then you have it. You have found the equation of a perpendicular line. So guys, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!